Today I am reviewing Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 is not just another gaming laptop. It is a statement. This is Lenovo's latest powerhouse design for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand the ultimate performance without compromise. From its cutting-edge CPU and GPU combination to its vivid OLED display and robust build quality, it delivers premium performance that justifies its price tag. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor, boasting 24 cores and clock speeds up to 5.4 GHz. This is not just impressive on paper. In real-world use, it delivers blistering performance for gaming, video editing, streaming, and even demanding multitasking. Whether you are running AAA games, complex design software, or large-scale simulations, the Legion Pro 5i can handle it without breaking a sweat. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti graphics card with 12 GB of GDDR5 memory, this laptop delivers jaw-dropping visuals. This GPU offers real-time ray tracing, AI-powered frame acceleration, and smooth performance at ultra settings. Gamers will enjoy crisp, fluid gameplay even on demanding titles, while content creators get an edge for rendering and 3D work. This laptop comes equipped with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That combination makes multitasking effortless. You can keep dozens of applications open without slowdown. Storage is more than enough for huge game libraries, video projects, or software suites. The lightning-fast read and write speeds mean load times are drastically reduced. Games start instantly and large files transfer in seconds. One of the standout features of the Legion Pro 5i is its 16-inch WQXGA OLED display. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600, HDR 1000 support, and 100% DCI P3 color coverage, this screen delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and an incredibly immersive viewing experience. The 165 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth, fluid visuals in fast-paced games. Whether you are gaming, watching movies, or working on creative projects, this display is a visual delight. The Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 comes in a sleek, Eclipse black chassis built to last. Lenovo uses high-quality materials to ensure durability without sacrificing aesthetics. The RGB backlit keyboard is not only stylish, but functional, with 24-zone customization and anti-ghosting technology. It also includes a volume dial and tactile keys designed for both comfort and precision during long sessions. Connectivity is top-notch. This laptop includes Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast internet speeds, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB ports for all your peripherals. It is designed to be a complete workstation and gaming rig. Lenovo also includes Nahimic audio technology, delivering immersive sound whether gaming, streaming, or producing music. For a high-performance laptop, battery life is impressive, thanks to an 80-watt battery with rapid charging. Lenovo's Super Rapid Charge technology delivers 0 to 80% charge in 30 minutes and a full charge in just about an hour. That means less waiting and more time gaming or working. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 is more than just a gaming laptop. It is a powerhouse designed for professionals and gamers alike. Its combination of a top-tier CPU, cutting-edge GPU, massive RAM, and a brilliant OLED display makes it one of the best laptops of 2025. Yes, it is an investment, but for those who want uncompromising performance, the Legion Pro 5i delivers excellence. Whether you are a competitive gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who demands the best from their device, this laptop will exceed expectations. Lenovo has crafted a true flagship gaming machine, and it is worth every penny. If you want to experience gaming and productivity at its peak, the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 is the laptop to choose.